What's up, everybody? XR Bird, break 5548. We're full. It's a box of 22 XR. Good luck here. To the dice. We're going 3 times squads first. 1, 2, and 3. The Chicago Bears up top, Patriots at the bottom. 3 times now to your names. 1, 2, and 3. Eric up top, Charlie Hansen at the bottom. Again, guys, there's 65 pulls left. Take your pulls on the website. Just 65 pulls left. Those do go tonight. Good luck here. XR Bird, break 5548. Been a while since I've opened XR. First up, Travis Kelce, Stephon Diggs, Jalen Tolbert. 31 out of 49. Sick patches there. For the Dallas Cowboys. And Joe Holloway. 62 out of 99. Matt Corral. Carolina. 6 out of 75. Carson Strong for Philly. Kaiir Elam to 199. And base, Cook. Michael Pittman Jr., Justin Fields, Zach Wilson. 6 out of 15, Potential Inc. The New York Jets. And Bob White. Bailey Zappi on the triple threats, 49 out of 75. On the triple threats. Stay tuned, guys. I'm going to do another big filler for that pull box. We got 65 spots left. To 199, Trey Lance. To 249, Jair Alexander. And everybody needs a little sauce in their life. Sauce Gardner. Gotta find some more cards I can throw in there for you guys. Again, guys, recap on the break. Trey Lance, Jair Alexander, Sauce, triple threats to 75, Bailey Zappi to 15, 6 out of 15, Potential Inc. of Zach Wilson. Kaiir Elam to 199, Carson Strong to 75, Matt Corral to 99, and Jalen Tolbert on the RPA to 49. That is the break. Appreciate the fill. I'm going to put a couple more breaks on there, guys. If you're wanting pulls, grab them on the website.